What is up, YouTube? I just got a new part in for the side-by-side, so I'll be installing that today. It's a brand new MBRP slip-on muffler. It's got a bigger tip on it, should be kind of a meaner sound to it. New clamp as well to clamp on to the old system. So you can see, this is the size of my hand, it's not too big. This is the old suitcase that's on here, so it should be pretty simple. As far as I'm aware, it's as far as mounting, it's the two bottom bolts on the actual frame and then the one old clamp bolt as well. Do a little recording of what the stock muffler sounds like. The bolts are hot. Extension. Well, there's no going back to that. That bolt snapped off, so looks like we're keeping this muffler. Doesn't help that the clamp is actually welded on to the muffler there, so being a pain in the butt to actually slide it off. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Man. That thing is rusted on there good, but we got her out. So, oh man, I'm sweating like a pig. There's the old unit and the new unit. So, hopefully the new one goes on a little easier. Time will tell. Probably those bottom bolts are gonna suck a little bit, but given the muffler's a bit smaller, hopefully it'll go a little easier. Sure to put the clamp on before you try sliding it on. Just sneak those bolts in now. Easier said than done. That's not what I wanted. Found the dang thing sitting on the ground in the spot I did not expect it in. She's in. Just gotta tighten all the bolts down and we'll see how she sounds. For reference, everybody, if you read the manual, this bolt down here is supposed to be, let me shine a light on it, that bolt, the bracket's supposed to be on the inside. That way it'll actually align with the exhaust pipe outlet on this side. They'll actually slide on all the way. So, just for reference. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that little video of my MBRP exhaust install. If you got any questions about the install, any other tips and tricks I can provide, just let me know, and yeah, I'll see if I can answer them in the comments. Thanks for watching.